What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, customer has converted their refrigeration to R134 from RY1234YF. Okay, is that safe to do? But he already done it. He's been driving around, so no issues there. He even got this kit that where can you get this kit? I'm gonna show you guys. He done it. It's been almost like a year and a half, he says. But AC has a leak, so we repaired it. Anyways, this thing, go on Amazon, type in the title, a conversion kit, and this thing is about $15 plus tax, shipping maybe $20 max if you guys want to do it. But that's what he wants us to do today. So he brought it in and I started working on this baby, and he handed me this over. But I still had to put my regular gauges in, manifold gauges. So I checked the pressure in here. So the high side is lower than the low side, so the pressure is kind of off. So he wants me to just reservice the system. So what we're gonna do is I am gonna recover everything, and then at the end we will put this on and I will show you, and that's when it's time to do it. But anyways, this stuff, follow up with my video. We'll do more videos on this. Part 1, 2, 3 maybe, and we'll call them back after a few weeks, see how it's going. We'll do another follow-up video on that. But I'm going to show you this on next video, how to use these. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Check this piece out on Amazon, and you could get it for under 18 bucks. Thank you for watching this video. So this thing fits directly onto that, and then your regular gauges for our regular machine, for the older machine, fits right directly onto it. Anyways, I don't recommend doing it, but he already did it. He insisted it, and I did put dye in it to check the leak. You can see there's like a little mess there, which I was supposed to clean up. But then he calls me up and he hands me this, tells me it's already been converted. So this would have been hell for me, because I would have had mixed up the gases here probably, and I would have never known what I was gonna do. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Usually, to follow up, this thing has only air in it. It's an air pressure. He's not getting good cooling here. So this is just literally air pressure here. There's no refrigeration coming out of this. And he told me, the person who did it last, used cans. You can use cans, but use a vacuum first and then throw the refrigeration with cans, okay? But I don't recommend it without vacuuming. So this thing is just literally air-filled. And we're going to empty out the system, but I am going to hook up my machine so the pressure is coming down. So I'm going to recover everything with my machine since it's R134. Anyways, air pressure is not going to give you good cooling. So stay tuned for the next video.